Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a townhouse today, and we have a plug bathtub. Alright, let's see. So, just those who are interested, the machine I'm using right here is a Rigid K39. That's just the model number, I guess, the 39. But it is by Rigid. It has a 1/4 inch cable without inner core. And yeah, that's what I use for my bathtubs. As you can see, no water's building up. So there you go. Nice easy one. It was probably just a blockage of hair, but the cable didn't grab onto it. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.